Hi everyone. Today, polymers. A polymer is a large molecule made of repeating subunits called monomers. For example, here's a repeating subunit. It could be a large molecule or a small molecule. The point is, it's one molecule that repeats over and over again. Each individual one is a monomer, one monomer. But the whole thing, when they're all assembled together, a polymer. Polymers are composed of individual subunits called monomers. There's usually a relationship between the polymer name and the monomer name. In most cases, for us at least, we're going to take the monomer name and add poly to arrive at the polymer name. For example, urethane would be the monomer, and the polymer is polyurethane. Or vinyl has the polymer name polyvinyl. These types of molecules can be natural, they occur in our own bodies and occur in nature, or made by human beings, synthetic. Natural polymers include DNA, which has repeating nucleotide monomers. Proteins have amino acids that repeat over and over again, and starches have monosaccharides. In contrast, synthetic polymers, basically plastics. Also synthetic fibers, such as nylon and polyester. Get it? Polyester. Polymers are produced by a special kind of chemical reaction called polymerization. Polymers are made of monomers, and the monomers are all linked together and assembled during a polymerization reaction. For us, polymerization comes in two big forms, the first of which is condensation. This is the process of joining monomers together, and in the process of doing that, we end up removing water. Polyesters are a type of polymer produced by a condensation polymerization reaction. Here I've circled the ester functional groups in this polymer. It's a polyester, it has multiple ester functional groups. In addition, if we look closely, we can see that starting here at the front of the benzene to there, there's a repeating structure to this molecule. It's a polymer, it's a polyester. In addition, something we've never heard of before are polyamides. These are a kind of polymer that contain nitrogen. Here, multiple nitrogens. It's a polyamide. Again, it has a repeating structure of individual monomer subunits. The second type of polymerization reaction I'm going to be responsible for is addition. This can be a little bit tricky because addition is also the name of one of our more standard organic chemistry reactions. This one, though, is addition polymerization. It has a very narrow type of definition for us. It's about joining alkenes together. So here I have two alkenes. It happens to be the same one, ethene. When we join them together in an addition polymerization reaction, we end up with a structure that sort of looks like an alkane. However, it's going to be super big. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but we have a small ellipsis here at the back of the structure to indicate that the molecule just continues on. So, polymers are large molecules composed of repeating subunits called monomers. There's a relationship between the monomer name and the polymer name, taking poly on or adding it into the name. They can be natural or synthetic, and they can be formed in two different kinds of polymerization reactions. Condensation, which is going to produce polyesters and polyamides, and the process of joining alkenes together, addition polymerization. And I hope that helps.